The time it takes to launch a lifebuoy can make the difference between life and death if someone falls overboard from a ship or other vessel. The Hammar Lifebuoy system is a complete, easy-to-fit package for the rapid launch of lifebuoys on board ships. When you have a man overboard situation, press the button to release the lifebuoy. After activation, the stainless steel lever is removed by a strong spring in order to ensure the safe and rapid deployment of the lifebuoy. With the Hammar Lifebuoy Release System you get safe and quick operation to save lives, electrical activation from the bridge, one complete package, easy and quick installation on board, economical solution. The glass fibre reinforced plastic holder, GRP, is double-sided and can therefore be mounted on either starboard or port sides. The bracket and metal holder with the electric remote unit, ERU, is pre-installed in the GRP holder on delivery. For the shipyard, the system offers easy installation and trouble-free sourcing as all parts are delivered in a complete package. The system is cost-effective not only because it saves time, but more importantly, it may even save lives. Push the button on the release switch for remote activation. Pull the safety pin for manual activation. Mount the GRP holder in a position so that a released lifebuoy will easily fall into the water. Follow the instructions for the mounting bolts in accordance with the drawings. Make sure that you mount double washers between frame or bulkhead and the GRP holder. Mount the connector box close to the GRP holder. Make sure that the cable from the ERU is long enough to reach the connector box. Install the screened cable from the connector box to the release switch and connect the black ERU cable to the connector box. Mount the release switch in an easy-to-locate and manage position on the bridge. The release switch shall always be fitted inside the wheelhouse or bridge. Connect a 24-volt emergency power supply to the release switch. Ensure that you follow the enclosed connection drawing. Test the electrical installation in accordance with the instructions on the drawing. The ERU is pre-installed. This has an expiry date 2 years after its installation on board. Follow the enclosed marking instructions. An ERU which is not properly marked with its expiration date is not approved. Put a lifebuoy 2/3 of the way into the GRP holder, and then secure it for the installation phase. Use the supplied thin white pilot line to pull the release cord through the ERU unit. Make sure that the lifebuoy line is not on the outer side of the release cord. This might entangle the lifebuoy when it's activated. Secure the release cord with the manual safety pin. Connect the power to the release switch. The safety cover on the release switch can be secured with some kind of easy-to-break seal in order to avoid unintentional use of the system. The system is now ready for use. The ERU shall be changed after 2 years of service. The replacement kit includes all necessary components to re-arm the lifebuoy system after activation or expiry. Secure the lifebuoy during the replacement phase. Remove the ERU, use an 8mm fixed spanner. Discard the used ERU in an environmentally approved manner. Make sure that the new ERU is correctly marked before installation. Mount the new ERU. Do not tighten too hard. Loosen the locking nut on the release arm and remove the old release cord. Mount the new release cord. The ends of the release cord can be locked during installation by pulling the cord ends into the V slot. Make sure that the projecting section of cord is 20 cm in length and that the cord is firmly locked by the washer before you tighten the locking nut again. Put a lifebuoy 2/3 of the way into the GRP holder and then secure it for the installation phase. Use the supplied thin white pilot line to pull the release cord through the ERU unit. Make sure that the lifebuoy line is not on the outer side of the release cord. This might entangle the lifebuoy when it's activated. Secure the release cord with the manual safety pin. Connect the ERU cable to the connector box. The system is now ready for use. The ERU shall be changed after 2 years of service.